With its crystal-clear Mediterranean waters, golden beaches, and dramatic cliffs, Antalya is Turkey's gateway to paradise. This sun-drenched coastal city seamlessly blends ancient wonders, vibrant city life, luxurious retreats, and stunning natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. The Old Town Kaleiçi is a charming maze of cobbled streets, Ottoman-era mansions, and lively cafes where the scent of fresh seafood and citrus trees fills the air. Strolling through its narrow alleys, visitors find themselves at the Hadrian's Gate, a magnificent Roman archway that has welcomed travelers for nearly 2 millennia. Just beyond, the Antalya harbor offers a picturesque setting to enjoy a sunset cruise or a waterfront dinner while overlooking the turquoise sea. For those craving beachfront luxury, Antalya delivers some of the finest 5-star resorts and all-inclusive hotels in Turkey. The famous Lara Beach, often called the Las Vegas of Turkey, is lined with ultra-luxurious resorts, each boasting its own unique theme, from opulent palaces to sleek modern hideaways. These resorts offer private beaches, infinity pools, world-class spas, and gourmet dining experiences, ensuring a stay of pure indulgence. Meanwhile, Konyaaltı Beach provides a more relaxed yet equally stunning coastline, with its backdrop of the majestic Taurus Mountains and a lively promenade filled with beach clubs, cafes, and water sport activities. For a more secluded escape, the pristine Kaputaş Beach, nestled between towering cliffs, offers a postcard-perfect setting with its vivid blue waters and soft white sand. Beyond its modern-day luxuries, Antalya is a haven for history lovers. Just a short drive away lies Aspendos, home to one of the best-preserved Roman theaters in the world. Built in the 2nd century AD, this awe-inspiring structure still hosts performances today, with its towering walls and perfect acoustics, making every sound resonate as if the past is speaking through the present. Walking up its stone steps, you can imagine the roar of an ancient audience as gladiators and performers once took the stage. Nearby, remnants of aqueducts, basilicas, and a vast agora hint at the grandeur of the ancient city that once flourished here. For nature lovers, Antalya's landscapes are just as captivating as its history. The Düden Waterfalls, cascading dramatically into the sea, offer a refreshing escape. while the Saklikent Gorge provides an exhilarating canyoning experience. Adventure seekers can explore the Lycian Way, a coastal hiking trail lined with breathtaking views, or take a cable car up Mount Tahtalı for panoramic vistas stretching across the sea and rugged mountains. Those looking for an unforgettable experience can even enjoy a hot air balloon ride over the mesmerizing landscapes of the region, providing a breathtaking bird's-eye view of the coastline and beyond. As the sun sets, Antalya transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub, where rooftop bars, beach clubs, and stylish lounges come alive with music and lights. Whether sipping cocktails under the stars at a luxury resort, dining in a seaside restaurant with fresh Mediterranean flavors, or exploring the historic streets illuminated by warm lanterns, the city offers an atmosphere that blends relaxation with excitement. Whether you're indulging in world-class luxury, wandering through ancient ruins, or simply soaking in the serene beauty of the Mediterranean coastline, Antalya and Aspendos offer a journey where the past and present dance together in perfect harmony, creating an experience that lingers long after you leave.